What's up, man? We're here at Riverbend, getting ready to do sound check. You see everybody behind me, man. T-Ran, right there.
What's up, man?
What's happening? The bass player, Sam on the keys, drummer, bam. You know, it's the rig. Everything's set up. You know what I'm saying? We got food all down there. You see the little river way over there, the Chattanooga River. We're just out here having a good time. Getting ready to glorify God. They got another couple stages way over on the other side. You know, this is what it is, man. I'll get with y'all in a little bit. Gotta do sound check. God bless.